Hey guys, back down the East Bay Realty, part of the Johnson Group here at 515 Weisenbaker Road in Rincon, Georgia. This is a 3 bedrooms, 2 bath home with 1,327 square feet, under $300,000 in Rincon. Let's go check it out.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Here's the front of the home, as you can see, 2-car garage. I like that. Decent sized yard, you know what I'm saying? I love this is kind of a quiet type of community. 2-car garage up the front, as you can see. But quiet community, but what I love about this is super duper close to everything that Rincon has to offer. We're talking about right across the street from a public golf course, right down the road from Kroger, Walmart, all the restaurants downtown, the Ale House, all those great spots. But man, it's a great location. And look at this. Wide open space as you walk into the living room. You got your little electric fireplace right there. But look at this. I love this. It's a well-maintained home. Nice things like that. Let's come into the kitchen here. This is your dining room area section right here. I put a little nice table right here for the fam. Come in here, you got your nice kitchen right here. Plenty of space to store your stuff. It does look a little like there's tons of space to store your stuff. So I like that. And then we're gonna check out this 2-car garage while we're right here. Bang. Once again, I mean, finished 2-car garage. You don't get to see those in new construction homes, right? And every time I go to a new construction home with clients, they're like, are they planning on finishing the garage? I go, no, they don't do that. But this one, you got your finished garage, looks great. Now, let's go check out the bedrooms. Once again, so conveniently located. Oh, I missed these 2 closets right here. 2 closets right in the front door. Bang, that was 1 and 2. All right, now down to the bedrooms. Right here is your laundry room area, as you can see in the hallway. And then come to this first room. All right, bang. As you can see, good sized room. You fit a queen size bed in here for sure. Got your closet right here. Standard size closet. All right, now let's go to the next one. This one's kind of same dimensions as the other one. So queen size bed can fit in here very easily. Closet's a little bit different. Same size, I would say, just a little bit different, but yeah. Good size room. And then come to the primary bedroom. Of course, in the closet, got your guest bath right here, standing shower. All right. And then let's go to the primary bedroom. Oh, this one's super big. Obviously, you can fit a king size bed in here. It is big in here. Like tray ceilings. All right, let's check out this closet real quick. Nice size walk-in closet. Boom. Plenty of space in here. I mean, you could fit a king size bed and a recliner or something in here. That'd be cool. Let's go into the bathroom. Okay. Dual vanity, love it. And then you've got a door for the wet stuff so someone can get ready while someone's taking a shower or taking care of business, you know what I'm saying? So perfect. Let's go out to the backyard. Check that out. That's its own shed. And the thing about this home is that unlike most homes in southeast Georgia that I see, they don't have gutters like this one does. That's huge. You'll be walking your house getting wet. Even my house doesn't have gutters like I'd like it walking in my house getting wet. But there we go. Fenced in yard. So good for fur babies or baby babies. Love that. And then it comes with this shed right here. for like a workshop and stuff. Let's check that out. Boom shakalaka, nice size. You like to work outside, store your lawnmower, store all your lawn equipment. But yeah. So that was 515 Weisenbaker Road in Rincon, Georgia. If you have any questions about this home, give me a call at 912-657-3544. I'd love to set up an appointment for you to come and see it. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.